Welcome to Twogether Exploring. Sit back, breathe deep, relax, and let the journey carry you. Beneath the quiet surface of Ireland's only saltwater lake, time folds in on itself. Lough Hyne has heard the heartbeat of druids, the oars of Vikings, and the secrets of the sea. Tonight, we follow those echoes. "4,000 years ago, the ocean bridged a valley of fresh water, and the miracle of salt and life began. Its tide breathes in and out through the narrow rapids, carrying plankton that simmer like scattered stars. Scientists come to study creatures found nowhere else on Earth, but locals will tell you the glow on moonless nights is something more. It's a quiet spell, a gift from the deep. High on Knockma Hill, druids once watched the sky for the music of the constellations. They believed this lake was a meeting place of worlds, a threshold to the other world where the veil thins and spirits travel like mist. Some say their chants still ride the wind at dusk. When a sudden ripple breaks the mirror of the water, who is to say it isn't the breath of those unseen keepers? Fishermen speak half smiling of a woman made of sea foam who guards these waters. Her song, they say, guides boats through fog and warns of storms before they rise. Perhaps she is only a story told to children? Yet, when you listen to the hush of the lapping waves, it is easy to imagine a melody just beyond hearing. Centuries later, early Christian hermits sought the same quiet power. The small ruins of St. Bridget's Church, hidden in the trees, still hold the scent of candle smoke and sea-salted air. Pilgrims once traced this source barefoot, believing each step was a prayer answered by the tide. And here, where our drone glides over rugged rock, lies Barlogue Pier. Fishing boats and weathered ropes speak of livelihoods carved from salt and patience. Generations have launched from these very stones, their lives woven with the same tides that carried the druids' echoes and the hermits' hymns. Myth and science, faith and saltwater, here they do not compete. The Atlantic writes its story in waves of light. The ancients answer in silence. Above and below, everything is one long conversation between earth and sea. Until next time, fellow wanderers, may your path be as enchanting as these iris skies. And if this journey across water and time stirred something in you, if you felt the pulse of old Ireland in the simmer of these waters, let the lake know. Tap the like button, subscribe, and wander with us again through places where legend and landscape breathe as one. Your support lets these stories keep flowing. This is Twogether Exploring, where every step is a story. Thank you for watching.